Are you planning to design the perfect kitchen island? It's an exciting journey, and we're here to guide you through each step. The road to your dream kitchen island begins with a solid plan. It's about more than just aesthetics. We're talking functionality, space, and style, all tailored to your personal preferences and the overall vibe of your kitchen. Think of it as a customization journey, one that ends with a kitchen island that's as unique as you are. Let's kickstart this journey by planning the perfect kitchen island. The first step in creating your kitchen island is planning. It's crucial to measure your space accurately. Consider the flow of movement. You wouldn't want your new island to be a roadblock. Precise measurements ensure that the island fits perfectly and enhances functionality. With the right measurements in hand, it's time to delve into the fun part, choosing your features. Now that you have your measurements, it's time to think about what features your kitchen island needs. Consider storage options and built-in appliances that can make your life easier. You might want a built-in wine cooler or perhaps pull-out trash cans. The possibilities are endless. Alongside these features, cabinetry plays a vital role. Your cabinets should not only be functional, but also help to elevate your kitchen style. Choose a design that complements the overall aesthetic of your kitchen, and don't forget about those cabinet accessories. Now that you've chosen your features and cabinetry, let's move on to the showstopper, the countertop. Choosing the right countertop stone can truly elevate your kitchen island. Countertops can be crafted from a variety of materials, each with its unique charm and practical benefits. Granite, for instance, is loved for its durability and timeless appeal. Marble, on the other hand, offers a touch of luxury and elegance. Quartz countertops are a popular choice for their low maintenance and vast array of colors. And let's not forget concrete or butcher block for those seeking a more contemporary or rustic feel. But remember, the perfect countertop is one that complements your kitchen style, meets your practical needs, and aligns with your personal taste. With the countertop chosen, you're one step away from realizing your dream kitchen island. Designing a perfect kitchen island is a journey that involves careful planning, selecting the right features, and choosing the perfect countertop. We've walked through the process, from measuring your space to choosing cabinetry and features, and finally selecting your countertop. And there you have it, your guide to designing the perfect kitchen island. Whether it's a small project or part of an overall kitchen remodel, a well-designed kitchen island can transform your space and make your kitchen truly unique. Your kitchen island journey doesn't have to end here. If you're feeling inspired and ready to start designing your perfect kitchen island, why not take the next step? Cutting-edge cabinetry in West Haven, Utah is ready and waiting to help you make your island dreams come true. With their expert advice and top-notch service, you can ensure you're making the best choice for your unique space. Don't wait to transform your kitchen into the heart of your home. So reach out to Cutting Edge Cabinetry today and let's make your kitchen island dreams a reality.